Have you ever wondered what sets millionaires apart from the rest? What obsessions drive their success and allow them to reach new financial heights? In this video, you will dive into the fascinating world of millionaire minds, uncovering the 10 obsessions that propel their path to wealth and success. From the relentless pursuit of their dreams to the obsession with constant innovation, each point will reveal a key aspect of a self-made millionaire's journey. Get ready for an eye-opening exploration that will inspire you to reach your own goals and challenge your limits. Don't miss this opportunity to uncover the secrets behind millionaires' success. 1. They're obsessed with pursuing their dreams and goals. To become a millionaire, you really need to want it and work towards it with all your energy. Imagine if you have a dream or a big goal that you really want to achieve, like starting your own business or inventing something new. You can't just wait for it to magically happen. You have to pursue it with everything you've got. People who become millionaires are obsessed with their dreams and goals. They don't settle for just working a regular job and enriching someone else. Instead, they have their own dreams and are determined to make them a reality. They take risks and work hard to achieve their goals. They are super passionate and never give up, even when things get tough. But it's not just about having dreams, you also need a plan to make them come true. They make lists of what they need to do to reach those goals. They are very specific about what they want and how they are going to get there. While many people settle for just being comfortable, self-made millionaires aim much higher. They believe in creating their own opportunities rather than waiting for them to appear. 2. They're obsessed with exceeding expectations. Millionaires stand out by exceeding expectations and becoming indispensable. They go above and beyond to excel in their efforts instead of procrastinating or waiting for tasks to pile up. They take proactive measures to stay ahead. They understand the importance of cultivating strong relationships with customers and employees by consistently delivering more than expected. They constantly ask themselves how they can exceed those expectations, how they can deliver something truly remarkable and unexpected. They refuse to settle for mediocrity or just meeting minimum requirements. Instead, they constantly raise the bar for themselves and strive for excellence in everything they do. Their commitment to exceeding expectations drives them to unprecedented levels of success, far beyond what they initially imagined. 3. They obsessively work to maximize their strengths. Millionaires don't waste time lamenting over what they're not good at. Instead, they put all their energy into what they're really good at, their strengths. They focus on their superpower, which is something they're naturally good at. The more they work on it, the better they become. By focusing on what they're already good at, they continue to improve and stand out from the crowd. It's like sharpening a knife until it's razor sharp. While it's important to try to improve in areas where you're not as strong, spending too much time on your weaknesses might not get you very far. It's like trying to fix a leaky bucket instead of using a sturdy one. 4. They're obsessed with moving forward and breaking barriers. Becoming successful isn't always an easy journey. It's more like a roller coaster ride with ups and downs. Sometimes you'll feel like you're making progress, and other times it will seem like you're taking steps backward. But successful people keep moving forward no matter what. They're always looking for ways to improve things, even when it seems like they're stuck. They understand that even small steps can lead to great achievements over time. When they face setbacks or failures, they don't give up. Instead, they learn from their mistakes and keep moving forward. In fact, sometimes those failures turn out to be blessings in disguise. A setback might even inspire the innovation that leads to their ultimate success. So they keep moving forward, breaking barriers, and turning obstacles into opportunities. 5. They're obsessed with working hard and playing hard. Millionaires give their all in everything they do, whether it's putting in extra hours at work to finish a project or tackling a tough challenge. They're committed to giving their best. They're willing to make sacrifices now to reach their long-term goals. But they also know how to have fun along the way. It's not just about work for them, they also make sure to enjoy the rewards of their hard work. They take time to relax and have fun, enjoying the good things life has to offer. For them, it's about finding the balance between working hard and having fun, knowing that both are important for success and happiness. 6. They're obsessed with creating multiple streams of income. Millionaires understand the importance of having more than one source of income. They realize that relying solely on one business or investment is risky, like putting all your eggs in one basket. That's why they're always looking for new ways to make money. While they're passionate about growing their main business, they also understand the value of diversification by spreading their investments across different opportunities. They reduce the risk of losing everything if one venture fails. Even if one part of their income fails, they have other sources to turn to while they regroup and plan their next move. This strategy gives them a sense of financial security and peace of mind for the future. They know that by creating multiple streams of income, they're setting themselves up for long-term success. 7. They're obsessed with surrounding themselves with great people. Millionaires understand that while hard work and determination are vital, the people you surround yourself with can also greatly impact your success. They're very intentional about the company they keep. They choose their friends wisely and are selective about who they hire and work with. They recognize that the attitudes and values of those around them can influence them, so they seek out positive and motivated people who have big dreams and are proactive about achieving them. They also understand the importance of diversity in their social and professional circles. Being around people with different perspectives and ideas challenges them to think outside the box and grow personally and professionally. They value being around people who can push them beyond their comfort zones. 8. They're obsessed with reading and expanding their knowledge base. Millionaires are always hungry for knowledge. They never stop learning and growing. They love reading because it helps them better understand the world and become smarter. They're constantly curious about new things and ideas. Reading is like a superpower for them. It gives them insights into different areas, not just their own field. This wide range of knowledge helps them generate new ideas and solutions. They believe that books are like treasure chests full of wisdom. The more they read, the more they question and explore. And when opportunities arise, they're open and ready to seize them because of all the knowledge they've accumulated. So, reading isn't just a hobby for them, it's a key part of their formula for success. 9. They spend time letting their minds obsess. Millionaires understand the power of letting their minds wander. They intentionally set aside time each day to just think. During these moments, they reflect on their biggest dreams and devise strategies to achieve them. They also reflect on their personal lives, their relationships, and how to bring joy to others. Their thoughts range from deep philosophical questions about life to practical considerations about their businesses and finances. They're constantly evaluating their relationships and striving to create meaningful connections with others. They see creative and strategic thinking as skills that improve with practice. By dedicating time each day to contemplate broader issues, they sharpen their problem-solving skills and gain clarity on what adjustments are needed to reach their long-term goals. It's a deliberate practice that helps them stay focused on continuous improvement and success. 10. They obsessively seek feedback from others. Millionaires understand that success doesn't happen in isolation. They recognize that support and feedback from others, such as customers, clients, and employees, are crucial to their achievements. To maintain this support, they actively seek and accept feedback from those around them. They're attentive listeners who value different perspectives and ideas. They're not afraid of criticism because they understand its potential to provide valuable insights and reveal blind spots. Instead of dismissing feedback, they welcome it as an opportunity for growth and improvement. By being receptive to others' opinions, millionaires demonstrate their commitment to continuous learning and adaptation. They understand that incorporating feedback helps them refine their strategies, strengthen their relationships, and ultimately achieve greater success. Keep these obsessions close to your heart as you pursue your dreams and let them guide you through challenges and triumphs alike. I hope you find value in this video. And if you liked it, check out the next video I have for you.